We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for every return this video, smash that like button, tell me to watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS, Sensonics Holdings Inc. And this stock has been explosive the last several days because of the FDA approval that everyone is anticipating, as well as short squeeze momentum possibility. Now, I'm going to break down in this video why this is looking pretty exciting, where it's sitting at with 42 vision, because I have shown it before based off of 42 vision, but I'm going to tell you guys why it's a little different this time and we need to be aware of it. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if it's something that interests you and you want to become part of and get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. 2 of the 3 turned out to be home runs, and we're going to go ahead and look at these charts together. So ENSC, we caught this one as it was pulling downwards towards the bell, and in that first run it gave nearly 5 to 10% pulled back. We got that bear indicator, went into weakness, consolidated, confirmation with 42 vision 2.0 of strength, 42 vision transitioning into strength, and ultimate 42 vision, the upgrade coming soon, showing that bull indicator of confirmation for a highest point of 30% plus, guys. And then we caught here IINN. We caught this one in the pre-market when it was consolidating here, and it took off for another highest point of 25% plus. 42 vision 2.0 confirming strength, 42 vision, and under a bull indicator until the next bear indicator popped up after the bell. And even after that pullback, it found a bottom and it took off for another 20% plus opportunity. So if you guys want to get on early with us and know about these opportunities before they take off, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. Now we have here SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. pulled up with ultimate 42 vision, the upgrade coming soon, and 42 vision 2.0 and 42 vision in the charts. And I stated that this was in an exciting point based off of 42 vision in the charts right now, but there are some key differences and I want to explain it and emphasize it, and we're going to look at the data together of the short interest and the short share volume. But I do want you guys to be aware that you have access now to 42 vision indicator as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the markets. And with 42 vision and the premium indicators, you will be able to navigate this volatility within the markets with confidence and stop the guessing and focus in on what really matters to maximize on opportunities no matter what is going on in the charts. So when we look at the charts here with Sensonics, you could see that a bear indicator popped up, but this seems to be all across the board in the markets due to the fact that the CPI data is coming out tomorrow and there's a lot of fear mongering in the markets. Now, when this is at this point of white with red borders, it is pretty exciting based off of 42 vision because usually there is a reversal. Some are smaller than others, like you can see right here, and some are bigger than others, and others are pretty immense, right? Like we had the last 3 days. But today things are cooling off. Now, there's some key levels to look at here that can show some strength, and that's the fact that this does not go back down to this area, okay? It creates that staircase effect somewhere up here to continue bouncing off and reaching newer highs and trapping more shorts along the way, creating squeeze potential, as well as a run up towards possible FDA approval or FDA news, right? That's what everyone is anticipating and waiting for. But the pullback has been pretty significant, and on the 30-minute, it is showing a bear indicator, and 42 vision 2.0 transition from green bars to red bars, and we need to see how much longer this does last because this movement here was pretty strong and it lasted from way down here in the lows of 242 to highs here of 320, nearly a 20 to 30% move in 3 days. And now it has eradicated pretty quickly about 10% of that move to the downside. Okay, so on the 4 hour, if we look at it together, you could see here the big shift, but it has not negated or turned into a bear indicator just yet in this pullback. This bull indicator is still in the play. And you can also see here Ultimate 42 Vision and 42 Vision 2.0 still showing some strength. Now, 42 Vision is moving pretty quickly. We'll need to see if this curvature's back down with it, if this bull indicator gets negated with a bear indicator somewhere along the way to the downside, because once that pops up, we will know if this is going into further weakness and these shifts continue. Now, again, I stated we want to see this hold itself up above the recent lows in the 240s, 250s, because that will show that regardless through the volatility, there is some strength on the move, right? From here to here, that's what you would call the move. And we need to see what the next move would be instead of watching this or anticipating it to completely just eradicate and take this all down. Now, it is possible, but there are some things in the play still here with it showing some strength. If it does break through a key level, I would get much more vigilant on it and pay close attention to it, because it is showing on the 30-minute weakness. And if we go all the way to the 1 day, you would see that things are actually showing here some type of strength holding up, but it kind of leveled off. Okay, it's kind of just went up and it kind of leveled off here. And if it sits sideways and consolidates, it might show some strength on the move from here to here. But if it continues to pull back down, that could be something to watch. And like I stated, Sensonics, what we needed was not just the 4 hour, not just the 30-minute, but the 1 day to shift from bear to bull on the way up. And it hasn't happened. It is still under a bear indicator here on the 1 day. And if we go ahead and look here at 42 Vision 2.0, it shifted from green to red. Okay, super important to realize that shift has happened. And on the 4 hour, it is still showing some strength, but the 30-minute within the volatility is showing some weakness as well. And the 1 day did not shift into a bull indicator, and it's kind of sitting sideways. So how is this a short squeeze candidate? Well, it has a lot to do with the days to cover. If shorts get trapped, they have to cover and they stay stuck covered. Now, short interest was 24% and some change. It has gone down a little bit. So some covering has happened in this move to the upside. And that's why things were moving pretty fast. And now things are going back down. If we see this number go back up to 24 or higher in percentage, that is going to show that there are new shorts, or the same shorts are doubling down on their short positions, and the bears are trying to shake out the bulls and bring this one back down to new all-time lows. Now, when you look at it here, this was a key indicator the last 3 days, how it went from 40% total volume of short shares, 33, 32, and guess what? Today, it's going up, and it's gone up yesterday. So it's already started to bring pressure, and the short shares availability has gone down. This had gone up significantly, and that is showing how much pressure the shorts are trying to put on the stock to bring this one down, and taking advantage also of the uncertainty in the markets with CPI data and the Federal Reserve speaking next week, as well as the FDA news still in the limbo, still in the air, and there's no confirmation just yet. Everyone's just anticipating it. Now, I do look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and if you want to receive clarity like no other, check out the 42 Vision indicator link down below in the description. By joining the 42 Vision tier level, you'll gain access to the daily watch list of the home runs that we look for every single day, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities and navigate through the volatility with confidence and focusing in on what really matters within the charts. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.